We often forget to spend time with our first mother. Yes, the Mother Nature. In our constant race to chase achievements, deadlines, and screens, we have slowly drifted away from one of the most purest sources of healing and clarity. Very few people today even think of nature as a companion, a remedy. But what is the truth? Now, walking in nature is not just a hobby. It is one of the most profound practice, a spiritual practice, and it's time-tested way to cleanse the mind, restore energy, and reconnect with what truly matters. Now take a look at the lives of any enlightened sage or philosopher, from Buddha to Thoria, from Ramana Maharishi to JK. You will find nature walks were a non-negotiable part of their daily routine. Why? Because the mind needs space, physical space, to declutter. Our urban lives often trap us into small boxes, rooms, into cubicles. And in that confinement, we also shrink ourselves mentally and emotionally. Have you ever felt bored or restless for no reason? That is your soul constantly whispering that you are far away from nature. It is a call from earth itself. Just come and sit by a tree. Watch the sunset paint the sky. Listen to the river hum its ancient melody. Feel the breeze of the woods, soft as a mother's lullaby. That's stillness, that beauty, and that is the real therapy. No gadget, no binge-worthy show, no screen hole on your phone can match this therapy. Those are man-made distractions. They are built to steal your attention and not to restore it. Today, success is often measured by who can attract the most attention. Yes, but in that process, we have lost our values. We have lost the silence and even our own self-worth. The more insecure you feel, the farther you are away from Mother Nature. Now, nature walks are powerful. Why? Because they engage all the 5 elements. You know about the 5 elements, right? The earth, grounding soil under your feet as you walk. The air element, the oxygen-rich breeze you breathe in. The water element, the streams, the lakes, or even the moisture in the atmosphere. Moisture. Fire, the light. The sun, warming your skin. The space and ether, the vast openness that frees the mind. That is the 5 elements. And this elemental exposure harmonizes your system physically, mentally, and also emotionally. And if there is any one practice that every child, whether in kindergarten or in a high school, should follow daily, what is it? It is this practice. A 30-minute nature walk. A 30-minute walk into nature after their school timings. It sparks clarity. It rejuvenates the brain. It helps the mind to reflect on the day, digest the learnings, self-discipline, generate fresh insights for tomorrow.